Simone Favell and I'm in the School of Psychology and I'm a senior lecturer there. So our research initiative is called the Cognitive Basis of Atypical Behaviour, and we came together as a group of researchers in the School of Psychology that are interested in cognition, cognitive processes, and also how that relates to social functioning more generally. So the group has been funded by the Faculty of Social Sciences as a research initiative. The projects that we have that are going on involves looking at memory processes and the kinds of resources that we have available for memory, how that relates to expression recognition, so how we can recognise facial expressions. The members of the group have been working various pairs and groupings before coming together, and that's the aim, was to kind of bring together people who had similar goals with their research. And so one area of research was between myself and Emma Barkis, looking at how well we can recognise facial expressions of emotion and how that relates to a whole battery of kind of psychosocial factors such as like loneliness, social anxiety, anhedonia, those kinds of things. And so we're continuing with that project. We've also started data collection on a project that more specifically looks at the role of memory and working memory. So that's that memory that you use in actually just right here, right now functioning. And so the resources that are available there, does that impact your ability to recognise expression? We each have different areas of expertise. So my area, I do face recognition research more generally, and interested in how we process information, visual information about the face. Another group member has schizotypy and all these social, psychosocial factors. There's other members who have expertise in memory and cognition and language, because we've each got expertise in a particular area. And even though it sounds fairly intuitive that obviously cognitive processes must underpin how we function socially, there's not a great deal of research that's been done in this area. So we've kind of been doing things in our separate areas. And so bringing it together, I think, is really quite important to be able to consider all of the aspects that we need to, as a group, to get some critical mass going forward. The main idea that we wanted to get across was that we really wanted to have a look at how these basic cognitive processes relate to social functioning, because social functioning is such an important aspect of our mental health and mental well-being. And if we can get an idea about how we can understand how it is that these cognitive mechanisms impact social functioning, then we have avenues for helping people with particular disorders, helping people in the regular community and across different age ranges. If we can look to a cognitive intervention rather than drugs or something else more intense, that'd be a good place to start.